Right, hello everyone, welcome back to Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, I want to welcome you to the channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So right, let's get straight into it. So this weekly's watch list, I've got my eyes on 5 pairs. As you can see towards the right of your screen, I've got my eyes on 5 pairs this week. That is AUD JPY, AUD USD, Euro JPY, GBP USD and NZD USD. So starting off with AUD USD, we're going to look at the daily time frame. With AUD USD, we've kind of stayed stuck in this consolidation zone on a daily time frame in this range since March. Market's just been going stuck in this range, hasn't really made any started any nice trend or anything. So at the moment, I'm still quite bullish. My opinion on this pair is still quite bullish. Going on to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we had this temporary resistant level which broke out last week, failed to break my major resistant level, came back down to my previous temporary resistant level which I was waiting to see if it was going to hold as support. Didn't really hold, but did. Had a false breakout, came back up, and then now we're back at this broken resistant level which is now looking like it's trying to hold as support. So with AUD JPY, I'm still quite bullish. Remember that, my opinion on this, my view on this is still quite bullish. So what I'm waiting for now with AUD JPY, for us to have a nice candlestick reversal pattern in this area here. As you can see, this support level look like it's starting to hold. So we still haven't closed below my 200 EMA, so that is still quite good. We're still in an uptrend, still quite bullish. So with AUD JPY, I'm just waiting for price to have a nice candlestick reversal pattern either on the 15-minute or the 1-hour time frame. So on a 15-minute time frame, if the next candlestick close above this dragonfly doji and this nice little hammer here, then I will look to place a buy trade with around 18 pips, risking around 18 pips to gain 29 pips. So that's a good trade right there. That's if that does come into play. My second target on this trade would be if I was looking to hold. I'll be honest with actually, I would probably look to hold till it touches to this major resistance level right here. So that's around 52 pips. So that's one trade scenario we have on AUD JPY, waiting to see if this is going to come into play. So next up, we've got AUD USD. Looking at it on a daily time frame, similar to AUD JPY, we've been stuck in this range right here. Hasn't really made no nice move to the downside or to the upside. So since I caught this trade a few weeks ago, we've broken out from this level here, and now we're stuck into this consolidation level here. So we're going on a 4-hour time frame. Yet again, this looks perfect. This looks nice. So I'll be honest, with AUD USD, I'm more looking to probably to take this trade than AUD JPY. So with AUD USD, you can see this is holding nice. So let me get rid of these here. So with AUD USD, you can see that this temporary support level is holding very nice on the 1-hour time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 touches on this support level here. So this is already telling us, this is a nice form of evidence telling us that this is a strong temporary support level. Price is holding up at this support level. So what I'm looking for next, going on a 15-minute time frame. We can actually take this trade right now if you wanted to. If I was to jump in now, I'll be looking to put my stop loss 10 pips from that last wick right here, risking around 32 pips, and then go on a 4-hour time frame I will look to hold this trade back up to this level right here. Similar to our previous trade, what we had before. So that's with AED USD. This is actually looking like a trade. Nice trade. I think after I finish this video, I think I'll be taking this trade. So yeah. So that's with AED USD. That's one setup we have right there. Next up, we're going on to Euro JPY. With Euro JPY, I was looking for this support level to hold, but unfortunately, it does not look like it's going to hold. We haven't quite had a strong breakout beyond the support level, so this also could still be like a false breakout. So what the market might tend to do, come down to the support level. Remember, it knows a lot of retail traders have got their stop loss underneath this level here. So what it looks like now, Euro JPY is coming down to stop hunt and take out these stop losses. So what we could do now is wait to see a nice candlestick formation form for us to get into on this trade. So what I'm looking for is like a bullish candlestick reversal pattern to form, and then we can take that trade for it to go long, because we're still above my 200 EMA. So with Euro JPY, this is just a waiting game. So with Euro JPY, I'm just gonna wait and see how the next few hours session plays out, and then I'll probably update you on my Twitter and Instagram whether or not if I'm gonna take this trade for a long. If we do get more price movement to the downside, what I would be looking for is for price to come down to here, push up to this, back up to this broken support level, which should hold as resistant, and then start making a downtrend. Because looking at on a 4-hour time frame, this might be the end of the uptrend for Euro JPY. Price might start looking to come back down to this major support level right here. So that's it with Euro JPY. So next up, we've got GBP USD. GBP USD is quite simple, this trade. This pair, sorry. As you can see, I've highlighted a resistant level and a support level. So looking at it on a 4-hour time frame, what I'm looking for now is for price to touch any of these two levels here and see how it reacts. So with GBP USD, is a waiting game. I'm just waiting for price to come to come to my resistant level or come to my support level. So GBP USD is just a waiting game. So remember, just look out for price and see which way it's going to head to, if it's going to head to resistant level or support level, and then we look for a nice candlestick reversal pattern, then we take that trade. If not, if we get a break, if we get a nice strong break beyond these two levels, then we will continue and follow that trend, take the trade from the break I'm in. So that's GBP USD, pretty nice and simple. Next is NZD USD. Right, with NZ USD, on the daily time frame, we was actually trend in an uptrend. But what's happened now, we've come near to this major resistant level. We haven't quite touched it, and it's looked like price is quite short of touching it and started to pull away from it. And what I think is happening now, we're going to start seeing some nice downwards movement on the NZD USD. Reason is because this level here is not holding, and it looked like it's going to break. So we're going to the 1-hour time frame. So right now, price has broken. If this candlestick closed just like this below, this is a nice break beyond this level. So what I will be looking for now is for price to have a retracement, pull back, and then I'll get in and follow the trend and go short on NZD USD. So that's NZD USD, pretty much simple. That's it. And that's the last pair. So that brings it to an end to this weekly's watch list. I hope this video's helped you with your trading decision this week, and don't forget to follow me on the Instagram, the Twitter, and I'll see you next time. Have a good trading week, people.